Alright guys, so a little excited. I just got back from the gym and finally got this. Been waiting for this for 2 months now. Ordered this in December, and if you don't know what it is already, anyone that did the Kickstarter like I did would know what it is. So excited. It's the first time I'm looking at it. I got the BNKRKINGS Command mask. This is a black Supreme, if I'm not mistaken. Oh man, this looks awesome. I can't wait to open it. I can't wait to play with it tomorrow. Super excited. Also, since I did the Kickstarter, I get an OG Kickstarter exclusive band to go with it. And since they were giving me a discount also on pants, I got some pants, some brand new pants as well. And came in perfect timing because, I'll show you right now. My old pants last week, they broke right in the knee area, and I got a boo-boo right here. So, yep, perfect timing. Came in clutch. Now I could throw those away. So let's start with the unboxing. So, Karambe. So pretty. Ooh. Nothing too much to it. Enjoy 20 casual free. Oh, give me a little promotion code. Nice. Alright, whatever. So got the bag to go with it. We kill suckers. And the mask. It's nice. Oh, it comes already with the strap already on it. Let's try this. First time. Gotta adjust it first. There we go. Oh yeah, noticeable difference in breathing, in talking. No more the echo sound. I could definitely hear myself a lot better. Oh, I'm gonna like these a lot. Well, can't wait to use them. For the BNKRKINGS, got some pants to go with it too. Got the same one, same color, I believe. These are the I don't know if these are the ultralights or the, I don't remember. I don't remember why I ordered. This was a couple months ago, so I don't remember why I ordered. I'm just happy to finally get this shit. Oh, sorry. And let's open the Kickstarter. Oh yeah. I'm excited. Can't wait to wear them for tomorrow.